was up for a revolution song. Cần vần tùm đó lại. This is my favorite song.
I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. Into a closer times when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out once in my mind. I am feeling a little bit freer. Into a wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say,
Ooh.